Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Marshall, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perry, Morrison, Red Rock, Marshall, Orlando, Lovell, Lake McMurtry, Lucine, Sooner Lake, and Lake Carl Blackwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.